How to make a bouquet while wearing House of Harlow 1960. Step 1. Locate a beautiful flower shop in Venice with an aesthetically pleasing owner. Step 2. Create your own line of clothing.
Exactly.
Step 3. Find a group of amazing influencers to rock said line of clothing. Step 4. Host a workshop on how to make jaw-dropping bouquets.
Thank you guys, but please, I'm here all the time.
Step 5. Take Polaroids of each other because #film.
Make sure to pass the camera around, girls. Flowers may die, but Polaroids never do. If you can quote me on that.
Step 6. Stop and smell the flowers.
And that is how you make bouquets.